lock. Door won't lock, but what we got here is the door lock. Install it. No problem. $7 for this thing. I'll let you know where I got it at the end of the video. Alright, I need a few tools. You see previous, we gotta take this off. Then we gotta access some screws. And then we gotta pull it from the bottom. Disconnect some stuff. Simple. So basically, this hook right here hooks into here. So you gotta pull down and out. I'm gonna replace this with some down and out on that one, and then this one right here slides up. I'm gonna replace it with some carbon fiber anyway, so it's broke previously. So basically, this hook right here hooks into here. So you gotta pull down and out. I'm gonna replace this with some down and out on that one, and then this one right here slides up. I'm gonna replace it with some carbon fiber anyway, so it's broke previously. There, some Torx, looks like Torx 7 maybe. I'll let you know, Torx something. 2 of them. And there. Here's a Torx 30. Before we take it off, we gotta take off that. Trim tool, get up under there, get up under here, press forward, and it pops up, just like this. And we're gonna go ahead and disconnect this little connector right here. Right there, and disconnect that. So again, just pull this connector straight out of here. Hold firm and pull. And it comes right out. Then you set this aside. Now, I'm gonna get the trim tool and start prying under here. Pop these out. Let's pull this, and hopefully I don't break nothing. Just kind of pull right out. Yeah, I knew it. These little things pop right out. Gotta kind of know where they go. So, Start disconnecting some stuff. Okay, let's disconnect this one. What the hell was that? I think it was the door speaker. And the window switch. No, that was the ambient lighting. Ambient lighting. Window. And this one down here, I'm screwed from this tab here, tab right there, right there. This unscrewed from this tab, and disconnect it. That damn it, didn't want to do that. From this. So I didn't want to disconnect this, but I guess I will. Set this shit aside. I want to disconnect this. And I still can, but two-handed. What's really important is this stuff right here. Take this off slowly so we can reuse it. It's soundproof. So what I did was I disconnected the latch here and go from there. So I peeled this back and I disconnected the actuator. How to do that, you just squeeze these two tabs. There's two tabs right there, there, and there. Squeeze them at the same time and it comes out really easy. So, let's see, unscrew this. Do I need to? Maybe, maybe not. Right now, I want to show you. I accidentally pulled too hard because I wasn't on the blade, and that kind of tore, but that'll be alright. You don't want that. I'm gonna go ahead and use a blade for the speedo adhesive. Like I say, it's just out the way right now. That's all I need. So we'll disconnect this. There's a screw there, screw there, and screw there. That should be it. Disconnect that and I can reach in and pull it out. So these is T40. Same as here, T40. So to get this out, I have to turn it around. Once I had that angle, I just go straight out. Now that these three screws are out, boom, boom, boom. These three screws are out, T40s. Just lift up and maneuver it out. Seal there. Actually, there's one more connector. We'll get it on. Hold on, I need two hands. So I pulled this out. Pull this right here out of the this little attachment over there inside the actuator. Oh, that was a little struggle. Now I gotta wrestle this thing out. Everything's disconnected. Now I just gotta figure a way to get it out. All right, a little bit of wrestling. Moving shit around, I was able to push out a little bit, and get it out. So now let's compare and get the new one in. So I went ahead and plugged this back up, plugged everything back up. That's in. Just gotta attach that. Plug that in. We're gonna test it before we put the door handle back on. Go. Put everything back together again. So I'm gonna just put these screws back on. Put this bullshit back on. These 2 screws, Torx. Everything tests, and I'll show you a test. All that together. Again, that's old, it cracked before. These back on. Let's check this out. We good. Make sure the door closes and opens. A lot better. And that's it. Thanks again. Like and subscribe.